Hello, welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to talk about formatting table in Power BI. Let's first create a table. So to create a table, we have to go in visualizations and click on table icon. Let's increase its size. With table, we can see a single field with name columns. Let's insert the columns. We'll first insert the city column and then sales and then profit. So here is our table. Let's increase the font size. To increase the font size, we have to click here on Format Your Visuals. Inside this, we will click on Values. As I have told you in previous videos that each column in the table has three parts: header, values, and total. So now we are going to increase the size of all the values. For this, we have come here in Values option and we are going to increase its size from 10 points to 16 points. We can also change the font style. We can make them bold, italic and underline, change the text color and the background color. Let's collapse this and expand the column headers. Now we are going to increase the font size of all the headers. So let's increase them from 10 points to 20 points. Let's align them at the center. We can also change the text color and the background color. Now let's change the style of this table. For style, we will click here on style presets and click here on this drop down list. We have many styles: minimal, bold header, alternating rows and lot more. We will click here on alternating rows. Now let's collapse this and go in the totals. Inside total, you can change the text of total. You can change it from total to grained. You can change the font style, font size, make it bold, italic and underline, change the color and the background color. Now let's collapse this and expand the specific column option. This option is amazing. With a specific column option, you can make changes in a specific column. For example, we want to make changes in the city column. So for this, inside series, we will select the city column. As I have told you that there are three parts of each column: header, total and values. Here it is giving us option that on which part you want changes: header, total and values. I want the changes on all parts. Now I will change the text color and the background color. Here you can see that the changes have only been made on the city column. Now let's select another column. We are going to select sum of cells column. And now we are not going to make any changes on the header and total. We are just going to make changes on values. So I have turned on the values option. Let's change the color. Let's change the background color. And that's it. Now let's move towards other options. We have a cell elements option. This option is related to conditional cell formatting in tables and matrices in Power BI. We are going to talk about this option in incoming videos. There are other options like URL icon, image size and accessibility. I don't want to make this video much longer, so we are going to talk about these options in incoming videos. Till now, if you have any question, then you can ask me in the comment section. That's all for this video.